What's going on with her? She's all black on her feet as she got up in the morning and plows would not fall. Oh, who is this? Foreigners.
What are those birds doing?
Hello,
Hello, Grigory Petrovich. Who is this?
correspondence.
Why didn't you warn us? Maybe we could have made more beautiful ourselves.
You are always beautiful, and let them see what you are without embellishment.
Hello, can I ride a tractor? They don't ride tractors. They plow the land of them. Why do you work on a tractor? Don't you have enough men? Don't you know why we don't have enough men? You have lost fewer of them.
All Russian women are tractor drivers.
We won't plow with whole earth with these hands and feed all the people. Isn't it a woman's job to feed all the children with bread until they are full? Do you have many children? Many. All children you could see around here are mine. What would you like for your children? So that they do not interfere with their lives.
Let's move on, gentlemen.
Let's go on.
Goodbye.
Merci,
Goodbye.
madame. Bonne chance.